A couple of US election graphs to start with. First, the Gini coefficient that measures inequality against an index of political polarisation, which is higher now than it was in 1900 when inequality and polarisation were both extreme after the 1893 depression and the rise of populism in the 1890s. Polarisation has now risen with the rise of inequality since the 1980s. And this graph matches the main American share index, the S&P 500, against the odds of Trump winning the election. They both fell in mid-July when Joe Biden pulled out, and then the share market followed Trump's odds higher, presumably because he's going to cut the company tax rate. And then his odds spiked last night and the share index rose 1.2%. The euphoria spread to Japan today, although shares in Hong Kong fell. In Australia, strong gains by retailers, banks and tech stocks drove the index 0.8% higher. The US dollar surged today as the election results started coming in, presumably because Trump's tariffs will be inflationary and lead to higher interest rates. So the Aussie dollar fell to the mid-65s, even though commodity prices went up, led by a 1.4% rise in the iron ore price. Oh, and Bitcoin has hit a new record high this afternoon as well. And that's finance.